Yeah. Yes, I Jamaican show fishing back at your peoples. I Orville there, I make some weights. And actually making weights for the whole team. Not everybody's here today. So we're gonna run through these steps again. Did a recording the other day, didn't come out so hot, didn't want to put up something for you guys that wasn't really ready yet. So me and Orville got both cameras here today. So possibility we can get some good video footage and some good audio footage for you guys today. In? So stay tuned, viewers, subscribers, we're out here. Big up yourself. Yes, people, see lead are melt done pan with it now. We have a sufficient amount of lead after melting, but we have some impurities on top that we have to remove, and I'm going to take the time and do that. Scrape off those off our top, peoples, and get this lead cleaned up. Normally what I would do, I throw a piece of wax on top, and the wax would normally set this thing up nice. Orville, you might want to get a shot at the impurities that come up on top of this. Yeah, look how the amount with them on this. You can see this good enough. Yeah. Who that?
I don't understand. Something them.
What did you list it as? What did you list it as? Alright. Ready for the pour?
I'm not charging $37.
Okay. You're not supposed to charge no whole heap of money still.
Customs fee and everything.
Alright, Orville, you ready for your pour now? Get this pour on. You want pour? You want pour?
No, you pour.
Alright. Alright, peoples. Let's get ready for the pouring. Yes, sir. Time for the pouring time. Burn up the hand time. I joke, man, I can't burn up the hand of them at times. What? Yes, people. Alright. Bang sinker. Boop, boop. Alright, people. See sinker them what I work with here. I work with bank sinkers. Basically it's mold that goes together like this. And what I basically do to keep the clamp from tightening on this too tight, I put it between two pieces of board with a G clamp, which will make this thing sits up a lot better. That's it. So what we do now, we kind of design it one way to do few things still, and make the thing a look a bit neater. Not true, brother Orville? Yes, I. So we lock it up in our G clamp, peoples, just like that, nice and secure. Yes, I. Yes, sir. I'll take them off, man. I can't have that, you know. You have to get off the impurities off of them. Yes, I. Off on top. Scrape up everything. After I boil off here a little bit, then come right up on the top, people. See how it look like that? Yes, I. Ready up for the pour now. I have to do this careful because things are very hot around here. So, very cautious. Grab this thing good. You ready up, Orville? So I have to grab this thing real good. And then get over here, people, and carefully pour this hot lead in. 1 3 ounce.
1 ounce.
And 1 ounce. Alright, that was a sloppy pour. Shit. Almost knocked that over. Let's get something in here to balance it. Keep this hot. Yeah man, we have to set it for the next pour. You see it, peoples? Yes, that's serious. That's how hot that heat is, look. Catch the mitten already. That's what I said. You want to do the bank sink, Orville? Want to pour the bank? Alright, come and pour the bank same time like how we did on the go. Just the grease up from last time. Yes. That's our grease. Now we have the bank sink, people. Let me open this up. Oh, make it stay. Very good. We have to push back some coal on that. Get some coal for level down here, Orville. Because if we go put it forward, what happens is it will just tip over. Oh man, now I get cold. I just top shell up more time. But bank sinker, egg sinker, sorry. Egg sinker shaft. You pretty much have a grease shaft. We grease it all the time. It pretty much stays greased, but every now and then you have to keep grease on it. So now what we do, we have the 1 2 and 3 and the 4 and I believe 5 on the next side. 5 and 4, 1 2 and 3. So I pour the egg sinkers. Serious heat here now, peoples. While the bank sinkers go on cool. Take this little piece of cloth here, we'll take on design for the little things still, because we don't know special gloves on these things, so we have to just use what we have. You see it? Alright, peoples, here we go. Oops, that almost leaned over, unbalancing. Not good. Messy pour. I did a messy pour. Can't stop now. Have to keep the heat going. Alright, there you go. That was a messy pour. That's because the thing is very heavy and hot. So, yes, I will up here. So now I'm going to clear a little space to work on it. Okay, I'm going to set this up. So, alright people, so I'm going to say, just twist around this a little bit. Get this open. I have to really make it cool, so long. And just take your time and pry this open like this, peoples. And sometimes, yeah, because of that bad pour is why this happens. Normally tap that in, or just take the hammer and tap here, the pliers or something, or shock it. Yeah, true.
What time?
It bends. So we got some egg sinkers. Hot enough.
Okay, almost getting a perfect circle.
Well warm, you know, tell me that. Well warm, people, yo, make sure you have protective gears when you're doing them sitting here.
Don't follow you, wear slippers.
Make sure you wear protective gear. We've been doing this a long time. We know if you dip, dodge and run. Yes, alright, so whatever we cut off our weights, yeah. You can see Orville cut off the excess what we put back inside. Put back inside of the pot here. Sometimes it's very hot that you can't even touch it, but we just use a rag as a precaution still. Like I said, peoples, use of this, don't try them things at home. Take your time, yes sir. You know some rather cut it when you want, Marvel. Easier to cut than wait till it harden up. Because yo, trust me, you work your hand bad man, especially when you do all whole heap of them. Take your time, just go deeper in knife pliers. Or we have to go get one big bolt cutter for this specific reason.
I want to stay too long with
that. I want to look a bolt cutter. We look at leverage. Right, it, look here. I'm going to take up here with my hand to the backside. Alright. And just this. And because I never close the end, make you have this little fins. But that's the least of our worries. Alright.
You record?
Yes sir. And peoples, as you can see, ouch, that was hot. The mirror's still a little bit warm. Don't try to grab these with your hands, people. Orville's actually trimming these up and cleaning them up because we had these molds for a while, so they kind of beat up. So sometimes you don't get the perfection, but we get weights for fishing, and this is what it's all about. But we're not going to sit here and draw this video out all day long with you because we have a lot of weights to make and it's a lot of work. So you have your 1 ounce, people, you have your 2 ounces, and you have your 3 ounce bank sinkers that we make, and then you have your egg sinkers, your 1, 2, 3, and your 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think this is
5.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3.
Yeah, 5, 4, 3, and then it was 1 and 2 on the next side, right? Yeah. 1 and 2, yeah. 5, 4, 3. Yep. Oh man, but yes, and a beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. Look how the place pretty. Yes, I have the camera supposed to show even a better view on this. Yeah, Will.
No, I lower resolution of that one.
Well, suppose to show all the ackee tree there where bust up market. You know, people are fine right now, want 2 ackee and can't get 2 ackee. Pick off an tree and see it there, brother. All banana. Straight into the yard. Yard life. Oh, I need that's it. Yeah, you see it, Orville. Yo! Turn the side way. I got a little 1, 4. Yes, look here, up a table, I put on this thing. You ready for me? Try to level up that for me now, Orville. Yeah man, bring up the mole up at top.